What's going on, guys? So just wanted to do a quick video on an intake for my Jetta TDI. Just came in just in time for Christmas. It's got a whole enclosure, I guess, for the intake filter. But yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. First thing you do, take all this old garbage out. Alright, so I got it out. Now I'm going to take the MAF off the actual intake piece and then try to figure out how we're going to swap it over to this. Already started putting this all together kind of thing. So yeah, pretty much got everything figured. We got a little nipple for the map sensor or something. I don't know. Some type of vacuum line bung in there, and then we got the MAF that goes right after that. Just a coupling right there, and then after that goes into this pipe, which replaces that pipe. So yeah, we're gonna remove that now and then get it all into place. So we got the intake in. Looks freaking sweet. All the hose clamps are buttoned up. Got everything, got that little vacuum line down there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go start it, see how it sounds without the cover on. So there's like a, I don't know what you call it, like some plexiglass goes over this. Yeah, let's start her up, see how it sounds. Oh fuck yeah. I don't know why it makes all those weird noises. Alright. So let's get that plastic piece on. See if I can set you down in a good place. And then yeah, they gave us some stickers put on the car as well, and a little filter thing. These are all the part numbers for the filter and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Guess we will see you on the next one.